Good morning everyone, this is future Caitlin coming to you, editing this vlog. This is basically all the clips I have of April. Technically spring, the snow is still around but it's starting to melt and everything's changing and life is good and life is crazy, and I hope you look forward to this video. I'm keeping it ASMR again. I like to hear the sounds of Whistler and I hope that you do too. Alright, enjoy.
Oh, well, it's a Mike Nolan thing, and he's like, been the Sparky for 15 years.
Okay, say something funny. Action shot. Yeah.
Well, it's to stay on path, stay off grass.
Why are you laughing like that? Guys, we just bought a freaking car. I look like shit. I've had such a long day. Spent $10,000 all up, and now both of our cars have reached their limits and we can't literally do anything at all, so that's really good. It's rainy and gloomy and I'm hungry and tired, but I just wanted to document this because like we just bought a car. Like a car in another country. Like we went to another country and they gave us a car. Like we earned a lot of money at work and then we went and spent all of our money on cars. So it's very, very, very crazy. I'm still in shock. But I guess we're staying then, right? Like I'm probably not gonna go home anytime soon. Well, I actually can't go home anytime soon because I have no money, but it's all good.
Oh, I could imagine Aiden doing this. He'd be screaming.
It's not too bad. What do you do, Lily? Ski or board? I board. You board.